Have you felt really weighed down with the emotional pain or the things that you've experienced in life where you have not been able to give forgiveness or get forgiveness from the person in front of you? Imagine with these steps being able to release those traumas from your heart by a simple forgiveness ritual. Stay in this video if you understand how forgiveness works in the Akashic records and how the transformative power of forgiveness can change your life today. Welcome back to our channel. We explore the mysterious journey into the spiritual world. Hi, my name is Sanskriti Sethi. I'm an Akashic record reader, automatic writing, and mediumship coach, a psychic medium, and a soul guide for all of you. Today in this video, I'm going to deep dwell into the concept of forgiveness in the Akashic records and how powerful it is. You need to glue to this video till the end. If you are suffering from deep hurt, karmic issues, health problems, emotional problems, relationship problems, career problems, money problems, any problem, there is a possibility that you have not been able to forgive others and others have not been able to forgive you because you are not in the energy of forgiveness. So are you ready? Let's get started. So to start with, let's understand what is forgiveness. Forgiveness is a conscious decision that you make to let go of resentment, let go of the cause that you've connected with other people over time. Maybe you wanted to take a revenge, maybe someone did very bad with you, somebody really hurted you emotionally, somebody cheated you. All those things you're carrying on to yourself, giving you emotional hurt, atrocities, and the repercussions are your career is not great, your health is not good, and money never comes to you. Forgiveness doesn't mean आप किसी को माफ कर दो या आप किसी को भूल जाओ. It is a choice that you make for yourself that if I carry these cords anymore, I know I cannot grow. Maybe that person is not affected with the same, and if I am affected, I need to unlearn the concept of not letting go and learn the concept of letting go with forgiveness in Akashic records. Trust me, 90% लोगों का आज के टाइम पे ये issue है. So now let's understand how Akashic records play a very important role in this forgiveness ritual. Now Akashic records carry so much about your present, your past, your decisions, thoughts, thinking, relationships, and whatnot. By exploring the Akashic records, you get to know the root cause of why do you feel this, why do you feel cheat, why do you attract cheat, why people always put you down, why are you so overgiving, why people do not do for you, why consciously you choose to do things again and again, besides the fact कि आपको पता है कि वापस से आपको वही चोट मिलेगी, वापस से आपको वही धोखा मिलेगा. The first step to forgive is to acknowledge, to understand कि ये तो मेरे लिए काम नहीं कर रहा है और अब मुझे अपने लिए कुछ और करना है ताकि I can make the rest of my life the best of my life. Now I will tell you few very simple steps where you can access your Akashic records and do this beautiful forgiveness ritual. Before that, make a heart in the comment section and give back lot of love in the universe. Step number 1, prepare your mind and decorate your space. If you are in a very dingy environment, your space is not clean, doesn't mean आपके पास छोटी space है, आपके पास बहुत बड़ी space है. अगर वो space साफ नहीं है, आपकी अपनी नहीं है, you're not resonating with it, you cannot do anything. So make your small space a happy space and sit with a mind which is calm and composed. This space can be a quiet, comfortable corner in your house or your altar where you do the prayers. Take deep breath and clear all the clutter in your mind. Set a pure intention that today my Akashic records are going to dissolve all the issues that I'm facing in life. And when you say this, your intention should come from grounding and not through anxiety. Light candle, burn incense stick, light a diya, anything that you have, a component which has fire, flowers, and fragrance so that your mind becomes much calmer. These are small things. If you add into your day-to-day life, it makes things easier. Step 2, enter a meditative space. Now close your eyes and focus on your breathing system. You should keep breathing up until you feel calm, grounded, and absolutely beautiful. You should be fully synced with your body, emotions, and mind. As soon as you're grounded, a doorway to your spiritual awakening, your crown chakra, opens up for you so that your thoughts can channel inside. The very important step here is that you should trust the process. When you don't trust the process, you start being skeptical. क्या मैं ये सोच तो नहीं रही हूँ, क्या मैं ये मेकअप तो नहीं कर रही हूँ, क्या ये मेरे माइंड में मेरे अपने थॉट्स तो नहीं है। नहीं है, आपकी जिंदगी में ट्रिलियन मिलियन थॉट्स आते हैं, बट क्या इस मोमेंट पे ये जो थॉट आया है, isn't it relevant? Universe is only going to teach you with the things that is connected to your life. Step number 3. Ask for guidance for forgiveness. Have open-ended questions to your Akashic records. Why do I feel this? कभी कभार मन करता है ना ये सवाल मैं किसी से पूछूं. Ask your records. Why am I experiencing this? Why do I feel envy towards that person? Why do I feel jealous towards that person? Why is my colleague jealous of me all the time? Why is my auntie jealous of me all the time? Ask these questions. When you ask, you are on the journey of enlightenment. क्लास में बच्चे होते हैं ना जो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछते और वो क्वेश्चन उनके अंदर रह जाता है. They're not able to resolve it. Question as much as you can because your Akashic records love you. Be patient. जरूरी नहीं है आपको पहले दिन आंसर आए. Sit again and again and again and ask questions. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आपको कभी भी आंसर ना आए unless you have some major blocks which need to be treated by a professional healer. Step number 4. Reflect on what you see. जो आप vision देख रहे हो, जो आप महसूस कर रहे हो, write down on a piece of paper. When you write that, you empty your conscious mind and you allow more thoughts to channel in. And when you connect the dots, you have the answer. Step number 5. Practice consistently. अगर आप consistent नहीं हो तो आपका एक break आ जाएगा बीच में. जब break आ जाता है, you're not able to generate that. That is why I always say, when you're starting something, do at least for 60 days so that you are in a pace and then it is settled into your subconscious mind ताकि उसके बाद अगर आप कभी break भी लेते हो, it really helps you. So there you have understanding of transformative forgiveness practice that you should do at your home, in your altar, in your space with lots of unconditional love. मैंने ये वीडियो इतने प्यार से बनाई है ना, you can feel it with me if you're connected with me for a very long time. मैंने बहुत प्यार से आप लोगों के लिए वीडियो बनाई है because I know people really suffer this and I've seen so many clients suffering because of this with their in-laws, with their husband, with their people in the office and what not. So if you find this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can be notified for my next video because I'm going to teach you so much more. If you have any questions, write in the comment section. We always try to take questions from our clients, from our subscribers, viewers, so that आपकी help हो सके and you can move towards that enlightenment process. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of the spiritual world to gain more insights and get guidance. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and see you soon.